There are only 4 of these rooms at the hotel, and the manager was so nice to offer these upgrade on Christmas Eve. Home2 Suites Anaheim is one of the best non-Disney hotel around Disneyland. It might be a bit confusing. Hilton is running 2 different brands on the same building. They will ask you which hotel you booked when you checked in. The 2 brands are running on different floors. One of the best features of the hotel is its location. It is about 10 to 15 minutes walk from the hotel to the Disney Transportation Center for a security screening. Home Garden Inn is more for business travelers. On the other hand, Home2 Suites is more for family. They offer full-size fridge and a kitchenette. If you have a bigger family with a bigger room, you may also have a dining area. We have booked a room for 2 queen beds, and we got upgraded to a 2 queen suites on Christmas Eve. This is a very good design. You can watch over your kids on this window between the rooms. There are in-room dining options. Kalanka Mama was just a few minutes away from the Disney Transportation Center. I just picked out something to take away. It was fantastic. If you want to buy drinks or last-minute supplies, there is a kiosk by the front desk. If your reservation is at Hilton Garden Inn and you may have some dining credits to use, you can also buy grab-and-go breakfast in the morning. I bought my supplies from a close-by CVS. You don't need to buy water if you have some containers with you. There's a fountain on the ground floor. If you have dining credits, you can use it at the restaurant or at the bar. For Home2 Suites, breakfast is actually served on the 2nd floor. Having a microwave and a full-size fridge is always a big plus to my traveling styles. Usually on the last day of my theme park visit, I'll buy a bigger portion of dinner the night before. Then I ask for a late checkout, usually around 1 to 2 p.m, so I can reheat some of the leftover for lunch without needing to go out. There's no free parking at Home2 Suites. That is one thing I don't like about. It is a valet-only facilities. Enjoy your Disney vacation. See you next time.